Welcome to YouTube channel Savitribai Phule Mahila Mahavidyalaya Satara, Commerce and Management Department, subject Advanced Accountancy and Taxation. Today we discuss about the accounting concept. Myself, Mr. Professor Gaikwad PV. We discuss about the main accounting concept. First one is what is the bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the science and art of the correctly recording in the books of account all of those transactions that result in the transfer of money or money's worth according to the quarter. And what is the accounting? According to the American Institute of Certified Public, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transaction and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the result thereof. Next, we discuss about the following the feature of the accounting. Accounting consists of the following features. First one is the recording of transaction and events. Second one, transactions and events in terms of money. Third one is the classification. Fourth one is the summarizing. And last one is the interpretation from result. All these are the accounting features. Today's we discuss about the what is the accounting principle. Accounting principle may be defined as those rules of conduct or procedure which are adopted by the accountants universally while recording the accounting transaction. The accounting principles can be classified into two types. First one is the accounting concept and second one is the accounting convention. So we discuss about the accounting concept. Accounting concept means accounting concept can be defined as something which signifies a generalization regarding accounting principles. In other words, accounting concept means those basic assumptions upon which the science of accounting is based. The following are the important accounting concept. First one is the separate business entity concept, going concern concept, money measurement concept, cost concept, accounting period concept, realization concept, dual aspect concept, accrual concept and matching concept. All these are the main accounting concept. We discuss about the accounting convention. The accounting conventions are applicable while preparing the financial statement, that is the profit and loss account and balance sheet. Accounting convention consists of the following convention. First, convention of consistency, convention of full disclosure, convention of convertism, convention of materiality. Today we discussed about the main accounting concept. Thank you.